free little bird as I can be, I can be. I'm as free a little bird as I can be. Gonna build my nest in a weeping willow tree where the bad boys cannot bother me. Oh, I'll never build my nest on the ground, on the ground. I will never build my nest on the ground. But I'll build my nest in a weeping willow tree where the bad boys cannot tear me down.
First I start by doing this without nothing.
Oh, I'm free little bird as I can be, I can be. I'm as free a little bird as I can be. Gonna build my nest in a weeping willow tree where the bad boys cannot bother me.
I get a special treat if I can do this thing and not use the other one, okay?
Okay.
Because you think that I can't. This is completely easy. It's just like a screwdriver. I mean, just like one of these guys. I'm not using it. See, that's it. Look, I'm doing it. I get a special prize. But now
Oh, I'll never steal a honey from a tree, from a tree. I will never steal a honey from a tree. But I'll steal me a kiss from my sweet darling's lips and fly all the way across the sea. Yes, I'm free little bird as I can be, I can be. I'm as free a little bird as I can be. Gonna build my nest in a weeping willow tree where the bad boys cannot bother me.
What now?
wait, I think we should have it up here too.
Why?
And it looks good.
What was your idea about having a couple of them?
They can sing all together. We can have one at the top, and the queen can sit there, and then she can sing to la 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 la. I'm serious. Well, we could have it right there.
Painting inside. Did you take those papers out?
Yeah. But I'm painting in it. I'm moving it around.
You need to put a picture inside it, don't you?
I need to make it fit just like the inside of our house. There's, see, our house is painted white, just like the color of our house outside, to be painted the same color inside as outside for the bird. Oh!